This is Bob. Today is Bob's birthday, and he's leaving work early to celebrate his birthday with his girlfriend Miranda. When Bob walks outside, he notices his car is filthy. But then, Bob sees that he has a ScrubaDub Car Care Club sticker on his windshield. He remembers the Car Care Club membership includes a free birthday wash every year for the life of his car. Bob rushes over to ScrubaDub Car Wash to get his free birthday bath before the date. Bob shows up for his date in style. Miranda is happy as can be when she sees Bob's car. Bob's car isn't just clean, it's ScrubaDub clean.